Gone are the days when an action camera meant one brand dominating the scene. Today, whether you're chasing thrills, capturing family moments, or crafting social media content, you've got options, both in hardware and the software that brings it to life. Two standout choices are the DJI Osmo Nano and the Insta360 Go Ultra. Both deliver stunning 4K at 60 frames per second, are featherlight, and aim to make filming effortless and fun. But they each have their own approach. Let's dive into their strengths, weaknesses, and which one suits you best. Both cameras embrace a modular design, splitting into a compact camera unit and a control dock. The DJI Osmo Nano pairs a slim, oblong camera with its multifunctional vision dock, connected via clips and magnets. The dock features a 1.96-inch OLED touchscreen for controlling the camera, reviewing footage, charging, and transferring files. The Insta360 Go Ultra follows a similar concept. A tiny square camera pairs with an action pod, which includes a 2.5-inch flip-up touchscreen, transforming it into a traditional action cam or vlogging setup. Both systems are magnetic, letting you mount the camera alone for POV shots or wearable use. Weight-wise, the cameras are nearly identical at around 52 grams. But with their docks, the Osmo Nano totals 124 grams, while the Go Ultra hits 161 grams, a difference you'll notice in your pocket. Shape matters too. The Nano's longer, thicker design lets it stand upright or on its side solo, but it can tip over with the dock on uneven surfaces. The Go Ultra's squarer, flatter profile is less stable alone, but steadier with its pod. Both cameras are waterproof to 10 meters, with splash-resistant IPX4 docks and replaceable lens guards, making durability a draw. The Osmo Nano has built-in storage, 64 gigabytes or 128 gigabytes, and a micro SD slot in the dock supporting up to 1 terabyte, so you can shoot right away. The Go Ultra relies on a micro SD card, up to 2 terabytes, but requires you to supply one. The Go Ultra's larger 2.5-inch flip-up touchscreen is a win for framing shots and playback, especially in bright light. The Nano's 1.96-inch screen is functional but less vivid outdoors. Both cameras sync with phone apps for live previews, offering flexibility. On specs, the Go Ultra edges out with a larger 1/1.28-inch CMOS sensor and 50 megapixel photos, compared to the Nano's 1/1.3-inch sensor and 35 megapixel photos. It also records at a higher 180 megabits per second bitrate versus the Nano's 120 megabits per second. In daylight, the Go Ultra produces brighter, more vibrant footage, ideal for vlogging or social media. The Osmo Nano's output is slightly darker, often requiring editing for punchier results, possibly by design for post-production enthusiasts. In low light, the Nano's night mode pulls ahead with better dynamic range, while both maintain accurate colors and offer manual white balance. Stabilization is stellar on both, keeping footage smooth during motion. The Nano supports 8-bit and 10-bit color with a D-Log M profile for advanced color grading, a boon for editors matching footage across cameras. For casual users wanting ready-to-share clips, the Go Ultra's output is more instantly shareable. The Osmo Nano records 48 kHz, 16-bit AAC audio with dual mics for stereo sound. The Go Ultra matches the 48 kHz but offers 32-bit depth and modes like auto wind reduction, stereo, and voice enhancement. In quiet settings, both deliver clear audio. In windy conditions, their noise reduction muffles other sounds slightly. The Go Ultra supports Bluetooth headphones and compatible mics, while the Nano connects directly to up to 2 DJI mic transmitters without a receiver, a perk for DJI ecosystem users. The Insta360 app is vibrant and AI-driven, excelling at quick, automated edits. Upload clips and it generates polished reels with music and effects, perfect for fast social media posts. The DJI Mimo app leans toward precision, offering manual controls and features like color recovery for detailed editing. It's less intuitive for beginners, but rewards those who want creative control. Choose the Go Ultra for instant, fun results, or the Nano for professional-grade tweaking. The Osmo Nano lasts longer, delivering about 85 minutes at 1080p 24 frames per second, compared to the Go Ultra's 60 minutes. However, the Go Ultra charges faster, hitting 80% in 12 minutes versus the Nano's 20 minutes. Pick the Nano for endurance or the Go Ultra for quick top-ups. The DJI Osmo Nano is ideal for hobbyists or pros who value editing flexibility, advanced color options, and integration with DJI's mic system. Plus, it's more budget-friendly. The Insta360 Go Ultra shines for casual users, families, or social media creators with its larger screen, user-friendly app, and AI-powered editing for quick, shareable content. Which one's for you? It depends on whether you prioritize creative control or effortless sharing.